The song Bitter is a reminder that life is not always a bed of roses. There are gonna be tough times and there are gonna be challenges as well. So it's better to just let all your emotions out, accept how you feel, and just move on. Okay, so I faced quite a lot challenges during my shoot. The challenges were like permissions and timing issues, mainly because almost half of my shoot was in college. So it was the waiting area, also known as the faculty lounge, which was basically for the college staff and teachers and the parents. Students were generally not allowed over there. So I used to go at the time when the lounge is usually empty, and it was like around 3 and something, but still I used to get the permission around 4, and they only give me like barely 30 minutes to just wind up my shoot, and that's like nearly impossible. 30 minutes is just gonna be consumed in the setup, my makeup, my hair, my dressing, and the tripod and everything. It's just utilizing that. I barely have 5 to 10 minutes to shoot, and they just don't give me time. I just have 30 to 40 minutes, and that was like not enough, of course. Then I did this thing that I used to then arrive early in the morning. So college began at 8, but yeah, I arrived at 7:30, and the parents start coming at 9. So I mean, I used to have like 1 hour to 1 hour and 30 minutes, so which was like enough for me. Firstly, I bought a table lamp, and then I bought a torch, and I had to replace the battery because it ran out of battery, so I took that. Then I bought roses, so I got 4 roses in total, and then I got some stationery items as well, which included 3 chart sheets and 3 glitter bottles, so it was altogether something amount. And then I bought a phone holder as well because I broke mine while shooting a scene, so I had to get a new one, which was a challenge because I had to search the entire 2 markets. And then I also stole my brother's phone as well, so I mean it was free, so I don't think that was included in my budget. So yeah, this was the grand total. Firstly, I used a tripod, then a ring light, and then ring light, so obviously with a ring light stand, and then the mini tripod, and then of course my phone, Techno Spark 7 Pro, and I recorded every single thing with this phone because I had no other options. Okay, so my personal favorite is the cloning sequence. This is because firstly it's a very simple yet a very unique shot, and secondly it has a very deep meaning associated with it. Like, life is not gonna be perfect every time. There are gonna be ups, there are gonna be downs. So life cannot always be rainbows and sunshine, and it can't be thunderstorms and rain as well. So there are gonna be like ups and downs, and that's, to be honest, the beauty of life. You gotta live with it. It's okay not to feel okay. Just accept your emotions and just heal yourself. There is a whole life ahead of you. There are gonna be really good moments as well that you can't wait for. So just be ready for it. Just prepare yourself for it. Just don't stuck at that moment that you are like, why is that even there? So just forget about it. Just move on. And remember, don't let the bitter replace the better inside you. Bye.